Well, hey guys, it's been a week, but I've been a bit under the weather, so been having some difficulties with my voice, and the videos I've been trying to make just haven't been, well, they just haven't been good. Not that any of my videos are any particularly good, but they were worse than that. Here's a fun thing. I just did this whole video. I picked it, I gutted it, I did everything on video, about all in all 8 minutes or so. Got to my computer, started rendering, started playing it, and I realized forgot to turn the microphone on the camera on. So here I am doing it again, well, trying to do it again. This time it's a Securit 5-pin lock, as I've had it already picked and opened. I know it's four standard pins and one, well, I don't know, just has some lips, so it looks like sort of a spool, but it's not a spool, so I don't know. I'm gonna include an image of it in the end, and well, let's try. This is a bit difficult for me because, well, I'm trying to learn or teach myself to pick using the bottom of the lock as a leverage point. I'm still not happy doing that, so this time I'm using bottom of the keyway tension, and as well using my thumb as a leverage point. So I apologize if my fingers are in the way. I'm trying to get better at it, but anyways, okay, I'm gonna try and look at the screen. 1, I got a small click, nothing on 2, click on 3, and wow, that was way too easy, but hey, sometimes it's like that. Okay, I'm gonna try and see if I can get this on camera again. I apologize again if my fingers are in the way, if the focus is off, all that. I'm still learning, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try it. This isn't the right tool or the right pliers to do this, but I find that it works, and I don't have the right tools or right pliers and all. Okay. Turn the core so that the pins don't fall in that line or that crevice, or what you want to call it. Make sure that the pins don't fall out. Okay. Pin 1, standard. I know these are all standard. Oh, I'm not a lefty, so I have to use my right hand. I'm sorry, guys. Nice little core there. Oh, sorry. Arrange these. Pin 1, standard, with a standard spring. pin 2 is the one with, I know this just won't pick up on this. If I had my macro lens on, I could have picked it up and shown you very well, but then again, I would have had a fixed focal length and that. I find that this lens is easier to work with. I'm going to take the last two from the back. So I'm going to try and get this camera to focus where I want it to. Whoa, that was lucky. Number 6. And number 4. I said 6, I meant 5, of course, only 5 pins. Even though it's an image stabilized lens and all, it still takes some time. Okay, I'm going to try and show you this on camera, see if it can focus. Right there. Pin number 2, you will see an image of, I'll add that to the end here. It's a badly focused image, I know, but it's from the microscope function on my iPhone, and it was the best I could get. Okay guys, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking with it. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe, and of course come visit us over at uklocksport.co.uk. Bye guys.